YouTube, man, each did, man. I'm back with another video, man. Like I said, I didn't record an outro. I didn't record an outro or an intro, so I'm doing that now. You feel me? It's the whole nother day, so I'm doing that now. You feel me? So before we get to the video, man, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, man. Comment down below what you see me do. Make sure you subscribe, man. The button free, smack it, hit it, lick it, whatever you gotta do, and make sure you get that bell. Ding, baby, yeah. But anyway, man, we're gonna get to that video. No cap. What you finna do with that motherfucker? Pulled up in a Tonka truck, man. That GT gonna get down every time, man. No doubt. That bitch gonna get down every time. Look at that dump motherfucker though. Slaying that scat real quick, man. He could have did better than that. He could have did better. Hey, what you say, Cam?
You don't need that rock no more. You gotta take that shit off.
You gotta take that bit off.
You gotta get a or some shit, you know?
That bitch finna get some new tire tomorrow, but yes, sir. Yes, sir. get blocked. They die. See?
It's a hard control on this.
That's why I say you give black niggas some shit. That truck don't like Man, them Mustangs. God.
This shit ain't easy. He gotta keep running. And then his car ain't gonna speed. So I know for a fact he got a handbrake.
So what's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Too Swift, man. Hey, man. So I'm sitting here editing this video right now, bro. And I just noticed that I didn't even make an intro or an outro for that bit, bro. Bro, I'm literally sitting here editing the video, bro. And I have no outro intro in this bitch. Well, I ain't got no intro in this bitch. It went straight to the goddamn call. I'm here to say, you feel me? If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, man. Make sure you like the video, man. Comment down below what interesting me do. If you want to see some more car videos, let me know, man. I go to them a lot, cause you feel me? Car Club Nation, you feel me? Wait a bit, for real. So I be at them a lot. I just don't ever record. I like to, bro, but at the same time, I like to just sit there and look at it. And, you know what I'm saying? Be inspiration, you know what I'm saying? So, man, make sure you go subscribe, man. Like, comment. Make sure you hit that bell, man, when I post. And, yeah.
Say we in the wheel, it going fast. Call that shit need for speed. Put your hoe on my head, cause I'm on my bed, but there's no need for me. See, I cannot chase the bitch. Ain't got no time to be chasing shit. You spend that guap on a bracelet while I'm fucking that hoe.